Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. People have watched me do this nonsense out here in my shop, messing around, making stuff, figuring out how to make stuff, talking about making stuff for over 100,000 hours. And I am extremely grateful that people would spend some of their time hanging out with me out here in the shop. And today, I want to recognize that and appreciate you by giving away a couple of these yellow cedar boxes that I made live on my live show over a couple of weeks. A couple of weekends worth of live shows last fall. I made these yellow cedar and red oak boxes lined with some fabrics and stuff. And I want to give away 2 of them. So stick around, find out how you could possibly win one of these guys. There's a couple of different formats of the box, and 2 of them are going to be heading out of my shop and possibly right to your door. Come on! So like I said, I made these yellow cedar boxes on my live show in the fall. Over a couple of weeks, we broke down the wood out of some old yellow cedar fence posts and dimensioned it and surfaced it and made them into boxes. There's a couple of different sizes. This is the biggest of them. It is, hold on, please hold, just about 11 inches by about 5 by about 4.5 deep. That's the big guy. There's a slightly smaller guy that's probably about the same length, little bit, yeah, just about 11 inches by 4 by 3 3/4. And then there's the square guy that, let's see, 5, 5, 4.5. And they have 2 different styles of fabric lining. We got the purple with white polka dots on the square guy. We've got the purple and white polka dots on the big guy. Come on. And we've got the Funky McFunkerson. Funky McFunkerson? Sure, the Funky McFunkerson. It's a little busy, but it's cool. I think it adds a nice pop when you open them up, to a nice little pop surprise that there's some color coming through on the inside. And how you can win these. Ooh, that one's got my logo on the bottom. They all have my logo? No. No, of course not. Didn't remember to do all of them. But how you can get your hands on one of these. There are 2, I'm going to give away 2 different boxes. The first way is the pay to play. And I make no apologies for that. My friends over at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff are going to get one of these boxes. One of those folks is. I'm going to do a draw for my folks over there. It's kind of raffle style. So every $1 that they contribute during the month of February is going to get them 1 entry into the Patreon box. They will get first selection of which of the boxes they would like. And then out of the other 2, you, my YouTube friends, could win your choice of the other 2. You have to follow these instructions. Your chances are going to be very good that you win this box if you follow the instructions, because not very many people will. History has told me not too many people will follow these instructions. I'm not going to ask you to do a lot, and it's not going to be complicated. But not very many people will do it. Down in the comment section below, I want you to comment which of my woodworking project videos over the years is your favorite one that I've done, and why. So that's step 1. Down in the comments, tell me what my favorite woodworking project is of yours. Yes. Step 2 is to go to that project video and tell me in the comment section there that that is your selection. However you want to do that. You can put over at that video, you can put, this is my favorite woodworking video of yours for the box draw, or something that tells me that that comment is referring to this contest. Okay, so 2 steps. Down below in the comments, what's your favorite woodworking project of mine and why? Then go to that woodworking project and tell me that that's the one you mean. Okay, easy peasy. There will not be very many people who do that. So if you do that, your chances are good. I will do both of these draws live on my Saturday night live show on March 1st. So the entire month of February you have to do these entries, either over at Patreon by chipping in over there. 1 entry for each dollar worth of February money, if that makes sense. So all my patrons, however much they give me for the month of February, if they're a $10 subscriber and their monthly payment comes out and it was $10, they get 10 entries into the draw. $25 subscriber, 25 entries. So $1 a raffle ticket, essentially, over at Patreon, or a 2-step process here on YouTube. Patrons will get, the Patreon winner will get the first choice of boxes, whether it's the big guy, the square guy, or the smaller guy. And then the winner of the YouTube draw will get to choose from the other 2. Simple as that. It's my way to say thank you. Shipping is on me. Everything's all included. I'll hit you up for an address and I'll send it off to you. Thank you, everyone, for your wonderful support. I can't say thank you enough. Like, I don't even know how to express my gratitude that you guys care about what I do out here. I appreciate it every day. And this is one of the ways that I am saying thank you, is by giving away some things that I make, that I put some effort into, and just to show my appreciation. That's it for this one. Quick and easy. 2-step process here on YouTube to get an entry. 1-step process over at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff. Thanks everybody for watching. Thank you again for all your support. We'll see you again next time. Next week. I'm doing weekly videos this year. February 1st today. You have 28 days to get your entries in. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. Pretty nice boxes. Pretty nice boxes, and they smell fantastic. Yellow cedar is the best smelling wood. There, I said it. I said it. Bye for now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. People have watched me mess around out here in my shop for over 100,000 hours. 100,000 hours people have spent on the internet watching me out here. And I am ever so grateful for that. And today I want to celebrate that accomplishment. Nah, it's not an accomplishment. I didn't do the 100,000 hours of watching. I don't know. I'm not really celebrating. Am I? And they were supposed to be for my Christmas market season. Well, they were they weren't supposed to be. They were on my table. Nobody bought them. Nobody wanted them. So here, have my garbage that nobody wants. Don't say it that way. Maybe don't put that in the bloopers either. People don't want to think that it's garbage. You want them to think they're nice. They are nice. Stop talking. This guy's got Purple Heart splines. This guy, I believe, is a walnut spline in the corner. Purple heart in that guy too. So purple heart or walnut splines in yellow cedar with latches and hinges and things. This one's got different style of back hinge and a different style of latch. It's got a close and a twist. This one's got, these two have this kind where you like pick it open and then lift. Oh, it went back in. It went back in the hole. Went back in the hole. Your face went back in the hole. So you can get into the draw raffle style over at patreon.com/woodenthings and stuff. Each dollar is a ticket, an entry. Each dollar, how do you say that? Each dollar gets you one, gets you a point, and points are worth entries, and entries are worth chances, and yep.